Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. So this video is actually a continuation to the previous one where we saw the Agentforce definition, some of its key characteristics and how it gets the work done. And in this video we are gonna see some key components, or you can say the building blocks of an Agentforce, and we will also explore some of the standard agent types that are available in the Salesforce. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, very quickly, let's see today's agenda. So as I already said, we are gonna start with looking at the building blocks of an Agentforce, and then we will see how Agentforce is actually a secure and trusted generative AI solution. And towards the end, we are gonna see some common standard agent types that are available in the Salesforce. So let's get started with the first topic, the building blocks of an Agentforce. In the previous video, we saw these are some of the key components of an Agentforce, which includes agents and data, actions and topics, and reasoning and LLM. Let's take a closer look at each of them. So the first one is agents. What are agents? So, agents are actually a trusted and goal-oriented autonomous AI assistants that can perform tasks and business and make data-driven decisions. They can initiate and complete a sequence of tasks and handle natural language conversations and securely provide relevant answers directly drawn from your business data. Not only this, they can increase productivity and reduce your team's workload by automating some of the routine tasks and assisting with the complex ones. They are even more autonomous than the other conversational AI solutions, and so they can independently identify opportunities for actions, anticipate next steps, and initiate tasks within the use cases. And the best part is, they respect standard Salesforce access controls such as the license and permission sets, so they can always act securely to help meet the ethical standards. And also, it's integrated with the Einstein Trust Layer. Now that we know what are agents, let's see some of the common use cases where agents can help us increase the productivity. So the agent can intelligently automate repetitive tasks such as updating a Salesforce record, answering a simple question, or drafting an email. So basically, during a conversation, an agent can intelligently determine which actions are required for a particular task and can perform those actions automatically. They can also provide personalized customer service experiences by generating context-aware responses to employees and customer inquiries, and their answers are securely grounded with business data. They can get data-driven insights about a specific Salesforce record page and can assist users in their flow of work within Salesforce. And they can also assist you with some creative tasks like creating emails, newsletters, or text messages. So these are just a few examples of how agents can help reduce the workload and increase the efficiency of the team. However, this is just 1% of what it's truly capable of. It's very vast with wide number of ways of how it can help and increase the productivity of the team. Now let's go ahead and look at the other components as well. Next is agent topics. An agent topic is actually a category of actions related to a particular job to be done by the agents. So these are categories or classifications of actions that basically defines the overall job an agent can perform. It can contain actions and instructions, where actions are the tools that are available for the job and instructions tell the agent how to make the decisions. And Salesforce provides some standard topics for some common use cases, and you can also create some custom topics to meet your specific business needs. Topics actually narrow down the actions and CRM data that apply to a given use case and help your agent respond to the user requests in a ways that are appropriate for the user's role. For example, if I create a topic called order management, this could initiate some order related actions that are assigned to it. For example, finding an order, tracking an order, or processing or return and exchange. And the natural language instructions that we provide in the topic will actually tell the agent when to initiate some specific actions, and they can act as a specific guardrails for the agent. Next up, we have the agent actions. Actions are basically how agents get the things done, and it actually refers to the individual tasks an agent performs to do a particular job. Salesforce by default provides some topics and actions out of the box, and these are called standard actions, which you can customize as per your business needs, or you can also create some new actions, new custom actions that you can use as per your business processes. For example, invoking a auto launched flow that can initiate a product return, or you can invoke a prompt template that generates a sales email, or you can also call the apex class to perform any specific use case as per your business needs. And here one point to note is an agent only uses the actions that are assigned to it, and to assign a particular action to an agent, an action must be added to a topic. So basically, topics actually maps a subset of actions related to a particular job your agents can do, which enables your agent to respond predictably to similar requests. And the instructions defined for a particular topic gives you the granular control over how an agent uses the action within the topic. So an action and the topic goes hand in hand, and one action can be added to multiple topics as well, depending upon the job it's configured to do. And I'll tell you an example of how it actually works. When an agent is triggered, or when a particular user enters a question or request in the agent conversation, the agent compares the task or the user request to the names and classification description of all the topics that are assigned to it. And finally, it actually classifies the task to the most relevant topic. And based on the selected topic, the actions are and the instructions are validated, and the agent can launch one or more actions based on the instructions added in that particular topic. Now let's take a look at the next key component of an agent: reasoning engine and LLM. These are the brain behind every agent, and it actually defines how an agent launches the topics and action. So basically, the reasoning engine enables agents to think deeply and understand the human intent and take actions within the flow of a conversation to call different topics and actions as the conversation shifts. When an agent is triggered, or when the user asks any question or make a request, the reasoning engine works actually with LLM behind the scenes and interprets the user requests and classifies the request into a particular topic, and then it actually builds a plan for accomplishing a particular goal, and finally launches the right topic and actions to achieve that goal. Agents actually harnesses the power of an LLM to communicate with users and take action in your org. And the reasoning engine calls the LLM at different times during a particular task or interaction with user. And the number and the size of LLM calls depend on the task and the topic and actions that are being launched. So these are the key components that are included in the agents and makes our Agentforce an absolute game changer for helping us increase the productivity and efficiency of our workflow. Now let's see how our agents are the most trusted and secure AI solution for our use cases. Everything in Salesforce is built around the core tenet of trust, and this makes it easy to build safe AI agents because agents are designed to help mitigate the risks associated with the generative AI technology. And the Agentforce platform is integrated with the Einstein Trust Layer, which is a secure AI architecture natively built into the Salesforce platform. It includes zero data retention policy, which means no data is stored or used for model training by third-party LLMs. It also includes the dynamic grounding with secure data retrieval, which means the relevant information from trusted company data, your knowledge base, or other sources you configure is used to answer the question. Next, we have the prompt defense, which are the system policies that help limit the hallucinations and decrease the likelihood of unintended or harmful outputs by the LLM. With toxicity detection, potentially harmful LLM responses are detected and flagged. And with audit and feedback, prompts, responses, and trust signals are logged and stored into data cloud, giving you the visibility into the results of each user interaction, making it altogether a whole trusted and the secure AI solution for your particular use case. We have explored some of the key topics or the points related to agents and Agentforce. Let's explore some of the standard agent types that are available in the Salesforce. Agentforce comes with a library of ready-to-use agent types, which are called standard agents, that already have relevant topics and actions included, and they can also be configured to cover many or most of your other business use cases as well. And here we have listed out some of the standard agents that are already available, which includes Sales Coach, which actually intelligently gives sales reps the personalized, actionable, and stage-specific feedback on their sales pitch or role play session. Next, we have the Sales Development Rep, also called as SDR, which engages lead with personalized content, answer some common questions, and schedule meetings. Then we have the Service Agent, which supports your customers with some common inquiries and escalate complex issues. Then we have the Service Planner, which helps your sales rep resolve case faster with case summaries and step-by-step resolution guidance. And last but not the least, Agentforce Setup, which helps your org admins with everyday administrator tasks like looking for answers in Salesforce documentation and much more. So these are all the standard agent types that are available in Salesforce already, with all the relevant topics and actions included, and are designed to adapt to various business needs and empower your team to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. With this, that's a wrap on today's video. In the upcoming videos, we will explore more about the agent builder and how we can create our own agent. But till then, if you have any questions or feedbacks about this video or any previous videos, please feel free to post in the comment section. And thanks for watching.